The dentures just weren't an option for me. I had too much bone loss with my teeth, so I had to go with the implants. I had the All-on-4 procedure done, so it was all of them, every single tooth. The people were so nice. Everyone was just so nice. It was very welcoming, very nice, very professional. I had a very enjoyable experience with EON Clinics. You know, I had no fears whatsoever, none at all. I just had such horrible teeth that I didn't care. I just wanted to have a bright smile. My whole life has changed, everything. And I'm a rideshare driver, so I deal with a lot of people. And, you know, I would never really talk to people. I would always kind of, you know, just, you know, be on my own and, you know, just drive. And now I'm a chatty Cathy. But one thing that's really different about since I've got the implants is you can't even find me in a picture in 10 to 15 years, because I'd always walk away, and I'm right now in front of a video camera, you know, for the whole world to see. So it's a huge change, a huge change. I'm just so happy. My life has just changed completely. I'm just, I'm bursting. Every day I'm just bursting, to tell you the truth.